everyone, for today's video I will be talking about Threads and how to use this new application. Threads is an application under Instagram and is said to be the next competition of Twitter. To get the app, just go to App Store, search for Threads, and then press the blue Get button. Just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, and once the application is completely downloaded, just open the app. Here, you'll see that Threads can be easily connected to your Instagram account, so you don't have to create a new one. However, you have the option to create a completely different account from your Instagram. So here, since I connected it to my old Instagram account, you can also import your bio, your link, and so on. Once you press next, you'll have the option to set your profile to public or private. And private simply means that people have to request before following you. Once you press next, you'll have the option to follow all your friends and followers on your Instagram account. But you'll have the option to choose only who to follow. And once you press next, you'll see here how Threads works. So again, Threads is under Instagram, and just like Twitter, you can share your thoughts, your feelings, and you'll no longer have to use pictures alone. Then just press the Join Threads button, and here you'll see all the posts of the people you're following and random people from all over the internet. You'll also see here the button to heart a thread or to comment or to repost it, which is very similar to its competition, Twitter. So just make sure to explore Threads on your own, but it's very easy to navigate because the design is really similar to Twitter, as I said earlier. To post a new thread, just press the button or icon at the bottom middle part of your screen, and here you can type whatever you want. You can also press the heart button or icon to see the activities on your threads, and press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to edit your profile or see all your threads or posts. And that's basically it for this video. If you want to learn more about Threads, what it can do, and how it's different from Twitter, just keep on subscribing and just keep on watching our videos. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.